Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make transparent text on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut on your PC. Now the first step is just select any random image. I'm going with this one. Okay, now decrease its scale. Maybe keep it at 1516. Scroll down and find canvas. Now click on drop down and select color. In color, select black. Now left click with your mouse, hold the picture and keep it outside the screen. Okay, now go over here on text. Click on default text. Add to the track. Now write whatever text you want. Okay, increase the font size. Select the font. Now select both the picture and the text. Right click with your mouse and select create compound clip. Okay. Now again, go on media and select the desired video. Make sure to keep the text on the top of the video. Now click on the text. Go on video. Scroll down. And here blend. Click on this drop down. And select multiply. Or you can select whatever effect you desire. You can experiment on your own. And you can just increase its opacity according to your need. So as you can see, that's how you can make a transparent text on CapCut. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.